Good evening, everyone. My name is Shantia Carter with Art of Peace Wellness. We are an agency that exists for healers, helpers, and heroes. These are people who care for others, such as social workers, counselors, teachers, therapists. So I am a therapist. And I also see therapists and their families. I do not do any couples therapy, however. I defer that specialty and refer it out to other practitioners. I am wanting to get into making podcasts. Excuse me, that's a misnomer. It's not podcasts. I want to get into putting up YouTube content for people to follow. You would click the button below where it says subscribe. You would subscribe. You would like. And you will get wellness tips from me, at least weekly. I will commit to doing that. I specialize in self-care and wellness. There are about 8 dimensions of wellness. Some folks subscribe to 6 and some do 7. At Art of Peace, we just believe in treating the whole person to make sure that you can give from a full place. We always say that you can't give anything from an empty vessel. So if we were on a flight and we were about to go on a journey, the flight attendant would let you know that if the cabin should lose pressure, that you would secure your oxygen mask first before you attend to the more vulnerable persons in your party. That being said, if you did not take care of yourself and you were to pass out as you were trying to put the oxygen mask on an elderly, disabled, or younger person, then all of you would perish because you have to take care of yourself before you take care of others. So this is why Art of Peace exists, and my unique approach is that I use whatever methods for relaxation that you can probably think of that are legal and moral and ethical. We do subscribe to yoga. We have monthly yoga and meditative classes for relaxation. We have art for therapy on second Sundays. We repurpose jewelry, and we have a nonprofit portion of what we do that we give that jewelry to elderly members of the community who are in rest facilities and nursing home and rehabilitation facilities. And we also have tasters on first Thursdays, and that's for healthy food alternatives. People always are telling you to eat healthy and to prepare foods maybe that you've not heard of before, you may not be comfortable with, but in doing that we have a vegan who has been practicing for years, who is also a holistic dietary expert, who would come in and allow you to taste test the food, give you recipes, and she also is very skilled in helping people to rearrange their pantries for healthier living, not just for individuals but for entire families. So these are some of the services that we offer, as well as just regular old counseling, regular old one-on-one supportive therapy, and also maybe you don't have a mental health diagnosis. Maybe you're just trying to get over a rough patch in life. You don't have a clinical diagnosis of depression or anxiety, but you may be experiencing just stressors. That is where the mental health, wellness, and self-care assessment may be something that may be up your alley. Now, for the self-care assessments, what you would do is meet with me for a period of about 45 to 60 minutes. We'll address the stressors in your life, we'll assess them, and then I will come up with a plan with you to help you to increase the peace. These sessions are not covered by insurance, and they are $45. And you would just go to the website or call us at the number, click that button, follow and subscribe, and you would receive information from me. So just wanted to introduce myself. Thank you for listening. I hope to see more of you, and you will see more of me. Be well.